Hey guys, we're working on this 2013 Impreza, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the tail lights on this thing. We're going to do the left one first. You got 2 bolts here, number 10s. Going to remove them. Once you get those removed, very simple. You can probably try to wiggle it out, give it a nudge. Push this button right here and pull out. That's how easy the taillight comes out. We'll go back in, screw it back in here. This thing has to line up with this thing. These two guys slides right into here. And then these two guys slide into here. Don't force it, don't push it, trying to break it. But it should go in and smooth pop. No problem. That's how I replace the left side tail light.